Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Animal Facts. My name is Esme, and today we will be studying beavers. I have a little sample that I want to show you of something that I found on a towpath. It's a Metro Parks towpath, and there's a Cleveland Metro Parks Zoo. So it's basically they on that towpath. And also, let's say hi to my fishies. Whoops, it's hard to point the camera, kind of. These are my fishies. Yeah, they keep having babies, which I'm not sure. Oh, well, everybody knows this, kind of. So, there's boy and girl fishes. They keep having babies. Literally, they're having babies in that tank, and, like, I cannot control that. So, we would have to look very hard if they were little tiny babies. If we were cleaning the fish tank and putting the water in it, because of the baby fishes, which are tiny. So it's kind of like hard to find them, but they're not that tiny. They're like this tiny, but not that tiny. And so yeah, so I have some samples from that towpath. It's a Cleveland Metro Park towpath. It's not a zoo, just so you know. It's just a Cleveland Metro Park towpath. So basically, it's just a towpath. I found that on the towpath. And yeah, so I have 5 facts of beavers. I have even more than that, but you know, I have 5 facts I'm going to share with you. I'm just going to go down the line, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get on with the video. This animal wasn't suggested by anyone. It was just my idea to do it. So anyway, let's go ahead and do this. Oh yeah, they're on my computer, so I'm just gonna go ahead and read them from my computer. Okay, so there are 2 species of beaver. The European or Eurasian, whatever, I don't know that name, kind of, Eurasian or something, beaver, and the North American beaver, and the North American beaver. So basically that was 3 species, but it's the European or Eurasian. So, those 2 I think are the same, or like they're close to being the same, so that's why it says 2 species, because of the American beaver, which is the 2nd species, or the 1st, you never know when you might put it, where you might put it. So anyway, beavers are the 2nd largest rodent in the world after cabra. Well, I'm not actually sure what that is, to be honest. At the end of the video, I might show you what a beaver looks like on my computer, which is basically just a little picture of a beaver. Anyway, so yeah, they're the 2nd largest rodent, not animal. They're kind of small, but they're the 2nd largest rodent. So rodent, basically, kind of, I don't know really what that means. Anyway, we're gonna go to the next fact. Wait, nope, never mind. Fact 5 is maybe long. Maybe I'll skip that one and just do the 5th one of another one. Like do another one for the 5th one. Anyway, the large front teeth of the beaver will never stop growing. The beaver's constant gnawing on wood helps to keep their teeth from growing too long. Oh, so I know a lot about this fact, kind of. So, if their teeth got super long, like literally, I'm not kidding, if they got these 2 teeth are the ones that help them gnaw on wood. Basically, if they keep gnawing on wood, they'll be good, because if they grow too long, they won't be able to gnaw on wood and build dams. Well, maybe because they're too long that they can't fit their teeth right there. It's kind of like, wait, I forgot what I was gonna say. Never mind. Anyway, fact 5. I'm gonna read the 5th one on here. Oh, whoops, sorry. Oh yeah, I am using my ring light today, by the way. Anyway, together the beaver colonies create dams of wood and mud to provide still deep water in order to protect dams predators such as wolves, coyotes, bears, or eagles, and also so they can float food and building their material to their homes. So basically, I think of this one as like, since they're small animals, they don't want their homes to flood. We don't want our homes to flood. So, no, well, kind of. So, animals that live underwater, their homes are gonna kind of like fill with water, basically, is what I'm saying. Because they live in the sea. And our homes, we live on land, and most other animals do also. So, other animals do also. So they don't want their homes to flood. So beavers build dams, and also they're like sponges. They soak up the water. So if somebody like needs water in like a land, I think, if people need water in like a land, they'll just like basically they'll put beavers in boxes with holes in them so that way they can breathe, and then they'll send them down in parachutes, and then they'll chop down wood so that way they can build a dam, and then because the people don't have enough water. I read this in a book that my teacher on already gave me. So well, basically I was just reading the thing, and it said something like that, like they needed water, so they ordered beavers to soak up the water, and then they got water, I think. Anyway, so fact 4 is fact 4 and 5 are kind of what my samples are about, I think. Mostly 5 is what they're about. Oh wait, no, 4 is. So, I got these samples from the towpath, the Cleveland Metro Park towpath. They fell apart, like they broke, but you can still put them together and see. So, beavers there were, chopping down wood for their dams or something. And first of all, that there is such a bad word as that, but we're not that's not the meaning of this word. It's spelled differently, but its meaning is also differently. It's also different. Anyway, for their dams, which is basically sponges that soak up the wood. Sorry, that soak up the water. Okay. So here is a little sample of a beaver, which chopped down some wood, and then these are teeth marks. You can find those at the towpath, I think. But they're so cool. Like there was some that had bugs on them, so don't get those. But you can get ones that don't have bugs on them. But yeah, that was super cool when I found those. But yeah, they fell apart, so I tried to put them back together for you guys, but nope. Like in the video, I was keeping them together. Anyway, so I'll give you one more look at my fishies. Yep. Baby. Not sure if you guys can see it, but I found a baby. There you go, people. There you go. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and bye. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and bye.